Welcome to this practical course on CSS and HTML. My name is Syed and I will be the instructor for this course. This is a crash course and teaches you skills on how to work primarily with CSS and HTML to design, edit, and customize websites. If you're a beginner but tech savvy, this course is for you. If you're an intermediate or expert working with CSS and HTML and have a little bit of experience, you will learn some great techniques and tips in this course. This course will cover practical topics using real-world scenario while building websites using CSS that you come across. Let me list a few of them for you. We'll begin by taking a look at the fundamentals of cascading style sheet and HTML language. We'll explore and work with CSS using the Inspect Element Dev tool. This course also covers how to customize websites using CSS and working with images, such as your header, footer, and the design of your page using cascading style sheets. You will also learn how to create custom classes and coding in CSS. In other words, how to create our own custom CSS class. And finally, I'll demonstrate how to build a responsive web page so that it can be displayed in any device. And we'll be using coding techniques using cascading style sheets. So if you'd like to enhance your skills and boost your career, enroll now and I will see you in class.